Hi everyone, Renee DeKroub here. I'm at 5845 Hartford Way, and it's our new listing. It went live the other day, 1.6. It has almost 13,000 square feet of living space. It's incredible. One of our greatest listings of all. Come on in and we'll give you a quick tour before our first showing. This house is all about entertaining. They have downstairs, they have a whole play area, entertainment. They used to have parties here, and they have a whole DJ dance floor as well. They've got 2 first floor master suites, as well as an additional 6 bedrooms. And we've got a beautiful grand entry that you can see. It's absolutely gorgeous. The formal dining room and kitchen. And you come around here and you've got the Viking appliances. And over here is the guest area. For big families, this is really ideal. And over here, we've got hello, got our client. So anyway, come give us a call, 517-404-4270. We'd love to give you a private tour. Thank you.